Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ramya Nayak, working in as a cornea and refractive consultant at the Sagar Eye Hospital, Shumoga. I finished my fellowship at Prasad Netralaya Super Speciality Eye Hospital, Udupi. Now I am going to present a study on impact of SMILE refractive procedure on quality of life after myopia and myopic astigmatic correction, which was conducted during my fellowship. Outcome of any refractive surgery is not just the uncorrected visual acuity, but also the quality of life, especially the psychological and psychosocial impact after the procedure. There are many questionnaires to assess the quality of life. In that, quality of life impact of refractive correction is one of the reliable questionnaire. It has 20 questions, which will be scored into 5 response categories. Out of 20 questions, the first 7 questions are mainly related to doing some activities like night driving and swimming or some gym activities. The next 6 questions will be mainly related to the cost and the maintenance cost after the procedure and any medical complication related to the procedure. The last 7 questions are mainly related to the feeling of the patient after the procedure, like cosmetic improvement or the eager to do something new in the life, or the confidence to do something new. So all these were be scored into different 5 categories, and these numbers, the mean value has been taken for consideration in the study. The study includes 116 patients between the age group of 18 to 35 years who underwent SMILE refractive procedure between October 2018 to 19, with a mean refractive error of -3.4 plus or minus 1.76 diopters. And for the assessment, QIRC questionnaire was given to the patients pre-operatively, post-operatively at 1 month and at 6 months. And the results were scored and they were statistically analyzed using independent and paired t-test. And there were 56.9% females who underwent SMILE refractive surgery with mean age group of 26.4 plus or minus 4.5 years, and maximum amount of patients, that is around 48.3% per between 24 to 29 years. And it was found that the quality of life was significantly better after the procedure, with pre-op QIRC of 39.34 plus or minus 2 to post-operative 1 month at with 50.6 plus or minus 2. And it was observed that over a period of 6 months, the quality of life was better, especially in terms of glare and night driving. It was also found that the QIRC index was better with 51.5 plus or minus 2 compared to females, and patients between the age group of 24 to 29 years were found to be having a better quality of life. And it was found that the patients in myopic group had a better QIRC score compared to myopic astigmatism group. So similar to our study, Tihan et al. Study also showed the similar results with significantly improvement in QIRC score post-operatively. However, our study's QIRC score is slightly higher than that study. Similar to our study, Klokova et al. Study also concluded that all patients need some time to adjust to the new visual functions, especially the glare and night driving. So to conclude, there is a significant improvement after the quality in the quality of life after SMILE refractive procedure, especially the psychological and psychosocial component.
Respect, sorry to interrupt, Dr. Ramya, you have exceeded the time. We can
okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Finished. Thank you, sir.
So hi, Dr. Ramya. I think it was a nice paper. One quick question is that when you talk about glare and
excuse me for a second. I can see two Dr. Sarvate Jayant Madhukar. So can you please clarify? I mean, who is speaking?
No. This is actually Dr. Vardhaman Kankaria, sir.
Yeah.
I have joined through Dr. Sarvate sir's login because they did not send me the login. So
because I sent him the login.
Okay. Is this Vardhaman?
So we are sharing the same login.
Is this Vardhaman speaking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Carry on, please.
All right. Yes, thank you. So, yes, Dr. Ramya, so
yes, sir.
I saw one of your slides when you talk about the nighttime glare, pre-op and post-op.
Yes,
and
sir.
you have spoken about the pre-op glare being post-op glare being lesser than the pre-op.
Yes, understood.
So can you elaborate on that? Because usually after any keratorefractive procedure,
Yes, sir.
your glare will not be less than what you had pre-op unless you are doing a customized ablation with topographic guided treatment, where people already have glare as a symptom.
Like post-operative 6 month had a lesser glare, and they are comfortable with night driving, sir, at a 6 month compared to first month,
Which
sir.
I agree. If you compare with 1 month versus 6 months post-operatively, then of course 6 months will be better. But
Yes,
when
sir.
you compare pre-op with the post-op, so that is my question, because pre-op, most people would not really have glare when they are using glasses. And if they have glare, they typically have some aberrations going on there. So that was my one question. And second question was, did you analyze also the dry eye profile? Because dry eye profile is a very important thing that you have to look at the quality of life.
Yes, sir. I did not separately tested this dry eye, sir. Only the questionnaires in that the dry eye was not a component, sir, in that.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.